Hi there. I'm Pierce. Boy, do I have a story for you about the time I turned a lemon of a situation into, well, lemonade. It all started on a hot summer day when I was just a kid with a dream and a whole lot of lemons.
Let's see. 5 cups sold at 50 cents each, minus the cost of lemons. This isn't looking good.
As you can see, my business skills were, well, let's just say they needed some serious squeezing.
Wait, I've got a special offer. Buy one, get one, also for full price?
Yeah, my marketing skills needed work too.
How's business, kiddo?
It's tough, Pops. I need to learn how to turn this into a real business.
Remember, Pierce, in business and in life, it's all about taking calculated risks and learning from your mistakes. Oh, and always tie down your furniture. See what I mean? Now tell me about your lemonade stand.
Well, I borrowed $20 from you for supplies, promising to double your investment in a week. But at this rate, I'll barely break even.
Ah, the old double or nothing deal. You know, when I was your age, I tried to start a business selling invisible ink.
How did that go?
Let's just say the results were not visible. The point is, don't give up. You've got potential, my boy.
Thanks, Pops. Maybe I just need to think outside the box.
Now, my dad may look like your average suburban father, but trust me, he's got some incredible qualities.
Hey, Sport, how was the lemonade stand today?
Not great, Dad. I explained to Pops about the $20 investment and how I promised to double it. But at this rate, I'll be lucky if I can pay back the principal.
Well, son, why don't you think bigger? You're smart and creative. I bet you could come up with a plan to expand your business.
You're right, Dad. I need to think like a real entrepreneur.
That's the spirit. Now, could you hand me a mop?
And just like that, the seeds of my lemon empire were planted. Little did I know, things were about to get a whole lot juicier. Stay tuned, folks. This is where the real adventure begins. Now, folks, this is where things start to get interesting. And by interesting, I mean absolutely hilariously chaotic.
Stands? Better lemonade? Marketing? Ugh, this is harder than I thought.
Let me tell you, my brain was working overtime. It was like a lemon juicer on steroids.
Wait, I've got it!
Oops, what's up, son?
Dad, I've got a plan. Can I present it to you? Like a real businessman?
Sure thing, kiddo. Let me just... All right, I'm all ears.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dad, here's the game plan. Tell me what you think. First off, we're going to scale the business. We'll set up 3 more lemonade stands. We'll hire Joe, Marcia, and Mary. They're trustworthy, willing, and able. Plus, they owe me for not telling about the great cafeteria pudding incident of 2023.
Do I want to know about this incident?
Probably not. Moving on. We'll give them a cut of the profits with a promote fee structure to incentivize higher performance.
Looking back, I'm not sure I knew what half those words meant. But boy, did they sound impressive.
Second, we'll use the money from Pops to invest in a new lemonade squeezing machine. It squeezes lemons 4 times faster than manually.
Son, are you sure that's a lemonade machine and not a time machine?
Trust me, Dad. It's cutting-edge technology. Third, we'll use a drone to deliver freshly squeezed lemonade from our main squeezing location to the 3 stands.
Whoa there. Maybe we should start with something a little less airborne.
Fourth, we'll cut costs by buying lemons in bulk from the nearby farmers market. And finally, we'll market at the next high school basketball game. Everyone shows up there, so it's perfect.
Wow, that's quite a plan, son. But can you think of any limitations?
Well, based on the various mental models I filtered this plan through,
Full disclosure. The only mental model I knew back then was my toy train set.
I've got it. How about we go to a wholesaler, tell them our plan, and buy 4 in bulk for cheap? It'll be a start to a business relationship for them.
Dad, you're a genius.
Just like that, we had a plan. Was it perfect? Nope. Was it going to be an adventure? You bet your sweet lemonade it was.
Whoa, that was awesome. Let's do this, Dad. Operation Lemonade Empire is a go.
All right, champ. Just try not to take over the world before dinner, okay?
And so, with a plan that was equal parts ambition and chaos, we set off to conquer the lemonade world. Little did we know, the real adventure was just beginning. Buckle up, folks. This lemonade stand is about to get wild. All right, folks, buckle up. This is where things really start to get wild. Picture this, me, a 12-year-old kid, about to launch a lemonade empire at a high school basketball game.
Okay, gang, this is it. Operation Lemon Domination is a go.
Aye, aye, Captain Pucker, Hup 234.
Captain Pucker? That wasn't the nickname I was going for, but I'll take it.
Step right up, folks. Try the best lemonade in town. It's so good, it'll make your taste buds do a slam dunk.
Pierce, that doesn't make any sense.
Neither does dribbling a ball instead of drinking it, but here we are. Oh man, I remember being in their shoes. Hey there! Would you like to be our official lemonade taste testers? Really? You bet! Here, try these and tell me what you think.
Pierce! The lemon's gone rogue.
I knew we shouldn't have given him the caffeinated batch.
After our slam dunk at the game, things really took off. We were squeezing lemons faster than my dad could accidentally crush them.
Okay, maybe the machine needs a few adjustments. Red leader, this is lemon base. The eagle has lift, oh.
Hey kid, at this rate, the lemons will be limes by the time we get our drinks.
We need to squeeze faster. Oh, Pope.
Suddenly, my lemonade empire was looking pretty sour. But little did I know, the real challenge was just beginning.
Maybe I should just throw in the towel. Or the lemon squeezer, whatever.
Yep, that was me hitting rock bottom. Or should I say pit bottom? Lemon pit? No? Okay, moving on.
Why the long face, kiddo? Your lemonade stand looks a bit deflated.
It's over, Pops. The big guys moved in, and now no one wants our lemonade.
You know, this reminds me of the time I tried to sell snow cones in the middle of winter.
What happened?
Well, let's just say I learned that sometimes you need to think outside the igloo. It wasn't easy, but I found a way to turn those snow cones into something people actually wanted in winter.
Outside the igloo? Pops, you're a genius. That's exactly what we need to do.
Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. And maybe watch where you're jumping, kiddo.
And just like that, I had my eureka moment. Or should I say, my mini eureka moment. Either way, things were about to get juicy.
Listen up, team. We're not beaten yet. In fact, we're about to make the coolest comeback in lemonade history.
Pierce, have you been drinking too much of our product? We're kind of in a sour situation here.
Nope. But our customers are about to. We're going to make the best ice-cold lemonade slushies in town. It's time to freeze out the competition. See? I'm so cool, I'm already covered in our new product. Talk about a lemon drop, huh?
Slushies, huh? That's actually pretty brilliant. You might be onto something here, Pierce.
Ooh, we could call them lemon chillers. And maybe add some fun flavors too.
Or frost squeezes. We could make people think cool thoughts just by saying the name.
I love it. You guys are the zest. Now let's get to work and squeeze this idea for all it's worth.
And work we did. We turned that lemonade stand into a slushy-making, heat-beating, profit-generating machine.
Fear not, citizens. Captain Chill is here to save you from the heat. With the power of icy refreshment, I shall vanquish the evil Dr. Heatwave.
Frosty Eagle, this is Lemon Base. The chilled payload is en route. Operation Brain Freeze is a go. Over.
Now this is what I call a cool drink. It's like a party in my mouth and a blizzard in my brain.
"7 days, that's all it took to go from zero to lemon hero."
Yep, we had done it. We had taken life's lemons and made, well, you know the rest.
Pops, we did it!
Did what, kiddo? Finally figure out how to keep my chair from floating away?
No, but I'll add that to my to-do list. We hit our goal. Here's your investment back, plus 100% return.
Well, I'll be a monkey's lemon squeezer. You really did it.
It was a sweet moment. Well, sweet and sour. And a little bit floaty.
What's going on here? Are we having a floating party and no one invited me?
Dad, we did it! We repaid Pops and then some. You know what? This whole adventure wasn't just about making money. It was about family, friendship, and believing in yourself.
And always keeping your feet on the ground, metaphorically speaking, of course.
Pierce, your lemon chillers are now sold nationwide. What's next for your company?
Well, we're thinking of branching out. How does lime chillers sound?
But no matter how big the business got, I never forgot where it all started. With a kid, a dream, and a whole lot of lemons.
Remember, when life gives you lemons, make a multi-million-dollar lemonade empire. Close enough.
Oh, and one last piece of advice. Maybe go easy on the caffeine in your lemonade. Trust me on this one.